Venezuelan authorities announced on September 8th that over 500 firearms had been handed over voluntarily for destruction in central Caracas. The move was part of a comprehensive disarmament plan carried out simultaneously in 5 states of the country, aiming to reduce high crime rates.
Que forma parte pues de este desarme voluntario que hemos querido propiciar a lo largo y ancho de todo el territorio nacional, y es por eso que hoy estamos entregando estos incentivos de un total de 1.130 personas. 1.130 personas a nivel nacional que han decidido entregar sus armas.
Collaborating citizens received electrical gadgets in return, such as televisions, refrigerators, microwaves and ovens. The government has vowed to crack down on guns as a pillar of domestic security policy. Venezuela has one of the highest rates of gun violence in the world.